What's up, YouTube? We're in the Rapid Car Wash in Pocatello, Idaho. Getting the cab cleaned. You got your Rapid Blaster, your undercarriage wash, your triple foam polish, and this thing. Whatever it's doing. Your scrubber buffer. Your tire scrubbers. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Justin the Savage. You know how we do. That's your rust inhibitor. I just got the basic wash, but you can come through and get hooked up. That's something. I don't know what that says. If y'all know what that says, leave me a comment in the comment section. I know what it spells. I don't know how to pronounce it. You got your weather guard, your clear coat protectant, spot-free rinse. Got your rinse going on. We got your tire shine. Tire shine, you know how we do. I'm gonna shine my own tires though. That's a tire shine right there. And here come the jets. I'm gonna crack the windows when I get in the middle, let y'all hear how loud they are. The blow dryer. Sound like a tornado. That's it. Once we to exit, when that green light flashes, put your car in drive. We're gonna whip it around. Be whipping it. Then they got all these vacuums over here. Vacuum your car. Vacuum your car out. I'm gonna pull up here. Get my vacuum hose and vacuum this car out. Get it nice and clean for the next customer. Put the car in park. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed this car wash review. Let's get out and take a look. See how clean it got. So for $20 a month, you get a free car. You get a car wash. And they did a good job. Yeah, I like that. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel.